Hi everybody, thank you for staying tuned. My name is Sarah and I'm going to do a walk around video on this 2010 Jeep Wrangler. So obviously you can see it's white. There is some aftermarket details involved with this vehicle, including the grille, the mirrors. You also have a spot for a winch. It's clearly lifted with some aftermarket tires as well, okay? So if you did want to add the winch, you would just put it right here. You also have the tow hooks. It also has upgraded headlights as well. Super bright. You're going to be that terrible person on the road that no one likes in the nighttime, but that's always good. 35-inch tires, Mayhem wheels, all chromed out to match the grille and the mirrors right here. It's trail rated, so that means it's gone vigorous testings to different kind of terrains. This vehicle is going to be it for you, okay? As you can tell, it is a Jeep Wrangler. It is a Sahara as well. It has beautiful leather interior, hard top right here, easy for the very front to just pop off. I'll show you that in another video. Again, different kind of interior. You got this white with kind of this off brown offset to it. You also have the gas cap that was also changed to chrome. And you got a spare tire, which is really nice. You also have that 60-30, 60-40 split seating here in the back. So if you are moving some cargo, you can kind of configure it in different ways, okay? I'm going to show you inside, so stay tuned. Hi everybody, thank you for staying tuned. My name is Sarah and I'm inside the 2010 Jeep Wrangler. Okay, so as you kind of saw, you have this two-tone leather throughout. Quick, easy wipe-ups. If you do want to take it kind of off-roading, do some mudding or going through any kind of rivers, lakes, that kind of stuff, these are going to be easy to clean up, and that's the front and the back as well, okay? If you do have the doors or the roof off, you do have a locking glove box right here, as well as a locking center console, okay? So that just uses your key to your car. Then you also have a tray that's removable and a little bit more space underneath that as well, okay? You also have storage in the doors, nice power windows, which is really nice. The button's actually on the door instead of on here like the newer designs, okay? You have AM, FM, satellite radio. As you can see, the wheel is actually pretty bare, so some of them are a little bit clunky. But yeah, so you still have cruise control, obviously your wiper blades and your headlights, things like that. This unit just has just under 169,000 kilometers. For a 2010, that's actually pretty low kilometers. It's a great vehicle. Again, it's that nice, easy to open hard top roof right there. You close this up. 2010 Jeep Wrangler here at St.Albert Dodge, 780-458-8660. Let's take it for a ride.